Howdy and welcome to San Antonio, Texas. If you think everything's bigger in Texas, wait till you see the history and culture packed into this city. Nestled in the heart of the Lone Star State, San Antonio isn't just any old city. It's the birthplace of Texan pride. Where else can you find historic missions, a river that courses through downtown like a lazy armadillo, and food so good you'll want to write home about it? This city has a style all its own, from the battle cries of the Alamo to the joyful shouts of Viva Fiesta. With over 300 days of sunshine and a bustling cultural scene, it's a place where you can soak up some rays and a ton of rich, vibrant history. And did we mention the food? Get ready to indulge in Tex-Mex that'll make your taste buds do the cha-cha. So grab your boots and your sombreros because we're about to explore everything from legendary landmarks to hidden gems. San Antonio has stories to tell, and we're here to listen. It's going to be a wild ride, y'all, full of charm and history. Our first stop is none other than the Alamo, Texas, most famous historical landmark. This site marks where a small group of Texan defenders stood tall against the Mexican army in 1836, and their ultimate sacrifice became the rallying cry for Texas independence. The Alamo isn't just a building, it's a symbol of Texan grit and pride. Standing before its restored limestone facade, you can almost hear the whispers of history calling you back to the days of Davy Crockett and Jim Bowie. Inside, you'll find a museum packed with artifacts from the era, from flintlock rifles to personal letters of the fallen heroes. The lush gardens surrounding the compound are perfect for a reflective stroll. History buffs, prepare to be enthralled, as the Alamo isn't just a story, it's an experience etched in stone. After reliving some of Texas' colorful history, it's to chill. Take a stroll on the Riverwalk or cruise by the San Antonio River. To get there from the Alamo, head south on Alamo Street and turn right on Crockett Street. Imagine Venice, but Texan style, where colorful barges drift lazily under centuries-old bridges. You can take a stroll on the Riverwalk or hop on a Go Rio River cruise for a front-row seat to San Antonio's beauty. The expert tour guides dish out fun facts like confetti, unraveling the rich tapestry of the city as you glide past bustling cafes, historic missions, and lush landscapes. Not just for tourists, this cruise offers a fresh perspective even for locals. Whether it's your first or 50th time, the whimsical narration will make you feel like you're uncovering a new layer of San Antonio's soul. And don't worry about the sun. Those colorful umbrellas dotting the river offer ample shade. After cruising through downtown, it's time to take a trip back in the past again and get artsy at the La Villita Historic Village. To get there, simply follow along the Riverwalk Trail and take a left onto P. del Rio at the Acequia Park Trail Junction. Or if you're taking the cruise, the barge should get you to this historic village. Once an army settlement in the 18th century, La Villita Historic Village is now a bustling hub of artistic creativity. This quaint, cobbled street district is like a time capsule brimming with local craftsmanship. This historic village is where the past meets the present in a spectacular array of art galleries, boutique shops, and cozy cafes. Wander through vibrant courtyards and marvel at the diverse art, from traditional Mexican pottery to contemporary Texan paintings. Don't miss the little church of La Villita, a charming historic chapel perfect for those Instagram moments. And of course, if you are already famished with all that exploring, you're in for awesome culinary experience in La Villita as well. With frequent festivals and events, there's always something new to discover here. Whether you're on the hunt for unique souvenirs or Texan barbecue, or you're simply soaking in the artistic atmosphere, La Villita is a haven for art lovers, foodies, and history buffs alike. After having your fill of Texan dishes and art at La Villita Village, it's time to leave the secular and delve into the sacred at the San Fernando Cathedral. To get there, head north on Alamo Street. Then take a left at Market Street. Almost half a mile later and you'll soon get to the main plaza. And right beside that, the San Fernando Cathedral, one of the oldest cathedrals in the United States. Established in 1731, this Gothic revival structure isn't just a place of worship. It's a beacon of San Antonio's rich cultural heritage. Step inside San Fernando Cathedral for a sublime blend of history and spirituality. With its towering spires and intricate stained glass, it feels like stepping into the pages of a medieval tale, right here in Texas. But the real magic happens at night with the San Antonio the Saga Light Show. Projected onto the cathedral's facade, this 24-minute video art installation beautifully narrates San Antonio's history through vibrant lights and music. It's like a festival of faith and community. making San Fernando a must-see day or night. After experiencing history, and perhaps the divine at the San Fernando Cathedral, it's time to wrap up your tour at, where else, but the historic Market Square. To get there, from San Fernando Cathedral, head north onto Commerce Street and continue walking westward along this street. You'll soon reach Milam Park along this road, and right across the park is the historic Market Square, the largest Mexican market in the U.S. Imagine a vibrant fiesta that never ends, filled with the aromas of street tacos, the sounds of mariachi bands, and the sights of colorful stalls. Historic Market Square is a sensory overload, in the best way possible. From hand-woven textiles to leather goods, this market is a treasure trove of Mexican culture and crafts. Indulge in authentic Tex-Mex cuisine at Mi Tierra Café y Panaderia, a local favorite that's been around since 1941. Browse through over 100 shops where you can snag some vibrant Mexican pottery or a pair of hand-tooled cowboy boots. Whether you're here to shop, eat, or just enjoy the festive atmosphere, historic Market Square is quintessentially San Antonio. And here concludes this tour of San Antonio. From the legendary Alamo to the vibrant Market Square, you've journeyed through history, culture, and a fiesta of flavors. So, keep your spirits high and those walking shoes ready. San Antonio's heart is always open for more adventures. Which city do you want us to cover next? Comment your answers below. Let's keep this adventure rolling, stay curious, and keep exploring all places walkable. To watch more contents like this, click like, subscribe, and press that notification button. See you on our next virtual walking tour.